In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Reggae House in Suno AI step by step. To get started, head over to Suno, log into your account, and open the Create page. Once you're there, start a new song project so you can build your track from scratch. This gives you a clean starting point and makes it easier to shape the exact sound you want. Next, enable custom mode. This is an important part of the process because it gives you more control over the final result. Instead of relying on a very general prompt, custom mode lets you be more specific about the genre, mood, vocals, and overall production style. That's especially useful for a blended style like Reggae House, where you want Suno to understand two different musical influences working together. Now it's time to describe the Reggae House sound. Reggae House combines the groove and rhythm of reggae with the energy and structure of house music. In your prompt, make sure you clearly include both sides of that mix. A strong example would be reggae house track with upbeat house drums, offbeat reggae guitar skanks, deep bassline, tropical vibes, energetic rhythms, catchy melodies, festival-ready production. The more clearly you describe the style, the better Suno can aim in the right direction. After that, choose the mood you want the song to have. You can guide it toward a tropical feel, a beach party vibe, a summer anthem, a relaxed but uplifting mood, or something with more dance floor energy. For example, you could write feel good reggae house anthem with sunny vibes, uplifting energy, and a danceable groove. Mood matters because it helps define not just the instrumentation, but also the emotional direction of the song. Then decide whether you want vocals or an instrumental. If you want a full song, you can specify smooth reggae-inspired vocals, a catchy chorus, and positive lyrics. If you only want a beat, simply say instrumental only, no vocals. This helps Suno focus the generation more accurately. From there, add production details. Include elements like house kick drums, reggae guitar chops, deep bass, tropical synths, percussion, and a club-ready mix. A good example would be deep house drums, reggae guitar rhythms, warm bass, tropical percussion, clean mix, professional production. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate. Listen to the version Suno creates and choose the one that comes closest to your target sound. If it's not quite there yet, refine your prompt by asking for more reggae influence, a stronger house groove, more tropical instruments, a faster or slower energy, or a different vocal balance. If you want to build the song out further, use the Extend feature to add sections, create breakdowns, build longer drops, and complete the full arrangement. When you're happy with the result, save your favorite version, download the final track, and if you want, continue editing it in your DAW.